Hello everyone, welcome to Tuneup Coffee. Here we have a Breville espresso machine. As you can see, now we're testing the grinder. We're gonna do an espresso shot, then we're gonna test the steamer and the hot water. For this machine, we just did a tune-up. We replaced the gasket of the machine, the one that you see right there. We also descaled the machine, deep clean the steam one, and deep clean all the group head as well. Perfect, tamping, and now we're gonna test it out. So hopefully I did not tamper too hard on this machine. I mean on the coffee shot, otherwise you're gonna see the coffee barely dripping. Let me warm up the cut. We're also testing the hot water, ladies, to clean it and warm it up. Perfect, and now we it's on the finer side. It probably needs to be a little bit coarser. That's why it's barely dripping, and you saw a little bit of a stream. So this shot is going to be over extracted. You kind of want to have the espresso range around here in the middle to get a good crema and a good shot of espresso. The machine is still keeping up pretty good with it. As you can see, we're having a good thick crema on the shot, but unfortunately it's going to be over extracted because it's just too fine for the shot. We're gonna stop it right here at 1 ounce instead of 2 ounces, which is the double shot, and there you have it. Even though it's over extracted, it did a good job. And now for the steamer. You will see that when you over extract your shot, because you're gonna have a lot of water around here, not just a little bit. Alright, now they're starting to steam. A little bit more. Perfect. As you can see, working perfectly fine, having excellent temperature, working great. And there you have it, Breville working once again. So thank you for the Tuneup Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.